guys ready for Kuari Pass? Yeah!
Right now what we're doing is we are doing an activity called Hug a Tree, where all the kids have just gone finding their own tree that they connect with, and they're just going to go and hug that tree and be with that particular tree for a while. So this is just a way to connect more with nature.
We reached!
Where did we reach?
Yeah, campsite.
Yes, Jay.
With Pravar and...
Hold on, hold on, because...
Yeah, I reached
Day one done!
Whoa!
I just found gold. There's an underwater creature in there.
Come on, Joseph! Yay!
Beautiful!
How do you feel?
Excellent, refreshed.
We are at the shepherd's hut at Akhrot Geta campsite, and as you can see, all of these huts that have been made are these summer huts for the shepherds who come and live here.
Hey guys, how's morning breakfast?
Good.
Jay, what did Leo tell you about your food?
If I don't eat enough, I'll be going down.
Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to segregate the waste that we've collected, okay?
We're saving water this way, right?
Yeah.
Thumbs in,
Thumbs up.
thumbs out,
Thumbs up.
thumbs in,
Thumbs in.
thumbs down,
Thumbs down.
thumbs down,
Thumbs
more down.
More down.
What are you going to do with the snowball? Oh, not Jay, catch!
We're at the campsite now.
Yeah?
By the look of it, there might be snowfall. Kuari campsite.
The weather's turned. We had clear skies. Now it's getting pretty dark. Jay, it's starting to snow. Can you feel it?
Yeah, I do. And bro, guess what else? The snow is so deep. Like this deep.
Oh my gosh. Massage time?
Massage time.
Jay, the snow's coming down.
Snowfall.
How do you like the snow?
Love it. Snowfall.
Did your wish for snow come true?
Yes.
Vitika, what's the weather like this
Oh
morning?
my god, it snowed. The whole campsite is powdered with snow.
So it's 6 AM on summit day, but it's snowed overnight and it's raining now, so we're not sure if we actually are going to summit or not. So Jay, we may or may not be able to summit. We may have to do a shortcut to the next camp because the weather's so bad. What would you prefer to do?
Summit.
Yeah. Vitika, you want to go to the top?
I would like to, but not if the weather's so bad, because then it's just dangerous.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful.
It's snowing full on.
Dance for me, baby. Dance for me, baby.
Aage chale hum, piche piche bhi.
Hey! Go on, son.
Oh my god, this is crazy. Woohoo!
That's great.
Yeah.
Dude, this is frozen.
You ready to cross Kuari Pass?
Yes.
This is it. This is the trickiest bit. Across this iced river. And up there is the Kuari Pass. So follow the footprints.
Come on, follow the footsteps.
Get ready to fall mountainside if you're gonna slip. Well done! Jai, what's important when you're hiking?
Drink some water.
A lot of water. Alright, let's go. Gotta get to the top. So Jai, this is the top. There's the pass, Kuari Pass. You did it. How was the climb?
Hard.
Hard? Well, good. It wouldn't be fun if it was easy, would it?
Yeah.
Ritika, how are you doing?
Good.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Woo!
We did it.
Good job.
Team
Good
effort.
job.
Thanks, Leo. Awesome.
Wonderful job, every single person, so from kids to all the older people. All of you guys did a fantastic job. It wasn't easy, right? We started late. We were not even sure if we'll come here to the pass.
Yes.
Alright, we did it, guys.
Well done, guys.
Well done. So getting down is off the
Your
journey.
poles, whenever you're descending your poles, in front of you.
Keep the mountains clean with them.
Yeah, they taught us how to do that, collect all the trash. Yeah, every one of us is carrying an eco bag. The mountain lets you climb it if it's possible.
Yes.
You've got to be very careful of the weather, and when you get to the top, you're only halfway there. You have to get down safely. So let's focus on that now, especially as the weather's been changing a bit. We've got black clouds. One sec, Priya, hold on, he's gonna hit you. Oh, beautiful follow through.
Rotis and potatoes.
So thanks again for keeping us safe. You and Girish.
Yay! 3.5 to 4 kilometers more to go from here.
Yes.
From this diversion point. And yeah, we're all set to go.
Here is an amazing 360-degree view of what we can see right now. Standing up this beautiful ridge. There's a group in front of us.
Blizzard's coming in. Starting to snow. Got to get to the campsite, quick guys.
It's snowing!
And you've got a rather large poncho. To
I
keep
do,
you snug.
yes.
Are you enjoying the variety of weather?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Jay, how do you like this blizzard we're in?
Oh, I don't like it much, but
Oh, and there's lightning. We've got to hurry to the camp. Come on, let's go. What's the weather like?
It's a proper blizzard. Can you hear the snow falling on the roof?
Jay, push the roofs. Let's see if there's any more snow up there.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there's snow coming down.
This is just something else.
What's happened, Jay?
Washing board of frozen water.
Yeah, totally frozen. So Jay, what's the weather like right now?
Snowfall.
Yeah, loads of snow coming down.
Yeah.
We're getting back home now. Last walk through the snowy forest. We're coming down the last section of the walk through the forest, through the snow.
clouds.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now we're walking down through the village's step farms. Little paths in and out of them. We finally reached civilization and the road. Yes!
We did it!
We're back to civilization.
Yes.
Well done, brother. Well done, Jay.
We did it! Yay! Woo!
Great, I heard you had a great time.
We did.
A lot of snow.
We did it, guys.
Getting better, thank you.
All right, guys.
Come to the Himalayas!